Okay, so I'm Mike Levine, Ford North America Product Communications Manager, and we're here with the all-new Ford Ranger, the 2019 Ford Ranger. It goes on sale early next year, and it's Ford's return to the mid-size pickup truck segment. What's notable about this is it starts about $24,000, and as you can see, as a mid-size pickup, it's a Ford truck that's built Ford tough and fits in your garage. It's a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine with a 10-speed transmission.
Awesome.
It has best-in-class payload, best-in-class gasoline torque. It'll have great fuel economy. We make it for enjoying adventures. So if you want to go skiing, if you want to go camping, if you want to go mountain biking, Ranger's a truck to help you go out and experience adventure. It's adventure ready right from the dealer. And we even have working with our dealers. If you want to personalize it from the showroom floor, you can even add things like a tent on this one. We work with Yakima Accessories to provide all sorts of different add-ons so that it's tailored to the way you like to go out and experience the outdoors.
So it's also Ranger, but fully outdoor equipped.
This one is a custom one that we made for SEMA, but that tent and the rack for the back, we've worked with Yakima to make that available.
Perfect.
And then our Ranger FX4, our four-wheel drive version with the FX4 package, it's armored underneath so that if you're off-road, it's got some extra shielding, but it also has brand new trail control. Trail control is like cruise control for off-road. So you can set the speed from 1 mile per hour to 20 miles per hour, and it'll go downhill, uphill, over rocks, through mud, and you worry about steering, the truck will take care of the rest. So that's kind of the highlights of the all-new Ford Ranger.
This new edition is a little bit bigger than the old ones, isn't it?
It is. It's bigger than the old ones, but still smaller than an F-150. And key point here is you should be able to easily park this in your garage.
Perfect.